Ah!
Do you know if my bird dies, I have to take it back? Like, take the dead body of the bird back to PetSmart
Why?
and present it to get a new bird. Warranty.
Ah! Shit. Okay. I'm okay.
Aww.
Who wants to be?
Cody's reaction. He wants to be.
Am I supposed to just move my hand back? You want on the swing? You want me to hurt?
It's biting.
Yep. On the swing? Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Good, now you're stuck.
Come on, get over the swing. No, other way. Other way! Other way.
I'm trying to talk bird now.
You're so fat.
Shh. Shh.
Oh shit. You having fun, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go home.
Just brush him out.
I'm not gonna even, he's a bird. I'm bigger than him.
So you're not gonna be mean, so you're gonna shake him?
Just like pull your arm out of the cage, we'll move.
Cody's gonna let your bird go. Okay, we're one step closer.
Just really likes you, Cody.
You're a bird. Come on. I'm a bird. Come on.
Cody, you can't do that because if he flies out, we're fucked. You're blowing my bird
How long do I have to stay here, ladies?
until the bird flies off me.
Go. Look at yourself in the mirror. Go. There. No. No. Just look. You want to swing? Yeah. Look, it's tantalizing. Come on. No. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Fuck you.